Why do over 30 countries promise to defend each other? Let's explain NATO. Hey everyone! Ever heard of NATO and wondered what it actually does? Let's break it down. NATO stands for the North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is a military alliance created in 1949 after World War II to protect member countries and prevent future conflicts. NATO's main idea is simple. An attack on one member is considered an attack on all. This is called collective defense. It means countries agree to help each other if one of them is threatened. NATO started with 12 countries, and today it has over 30 members, including the United States, Canada, and many European nations. NATO works to maintain peace by deterring conflict, supporting peacekeeping missions, and helping countries improve their defense and security. It also responds to modern challenges like cyber attacks, terrorism, and humanitarian crises. NATO's headquarters is located in Brussels, Belgium, where member countries meet to discuss security issues and make decisions together. In short, NATO is a defensive alliance that helps countries work together to stay safe and maintain stability. See you in the next video for more quick explanations.